Hi there YouTubers, and today I was just going to do a quick short video on this black stuff here. So you may notice I'm doing some cabling for my Scania R620, and with all these different connectors and cables and things, the cabling can get quite mad, and looking for a way to just try and simplify that and make it a little bit more tidier. And this is a black expandable sleeve. It's quite easy to use. And you can just literally pop all the cables through. So just quickly how I pop these cables through, with these little connectors, you've got like little tabs on the back. Just make a note of the way the wires go in, and yeah, just gently lift the tabs, and then you can pull these wires out, and that will give you then without the connector on the end, which gives it more narrow, and then you can just bind them up, and then you can push them through the sleeving. Now the sleeving is this one's a 6mm, but remember it's 6mm when it's flat, and basically you just cut this with a pair of scissors across the top, and then you boom, done. And what you need to do is to stop it from fraying, you can use a heat source of some kind, and I literally just use a little flame there, and you just literally melt the ends just a little bit, leave it to cool. And what that does is that stops it from fraying. And all I do is, once that's cooled down, it only takes a few seconds, there you go, I then just use a little blade of some kind, just like that, just to push that in, just to expand that so that that's right. And this stuff here is so simple to use. You just push the sleeving, it's expandable sleeving. So as you can see, even though that's 6mm, it expands to, that's a good, what, 12mm diameter. And you literally bind the cables up, like I've done on this one. Take these off, bind the cables up, and push the cables through, and there you have a nice loom that looks quite professional. And it's as simple as that. That's expandable sleeving, readily available on eBay and Amazon and places like that. And yeah, again, you just literally melt the end with a heat source like that. There you go. And that melts the end, and you can just see the end there melted. I'll try and make sure it focuses up. There we are. And again, just to make sure that it's not too tight through there, just push an object through just to give it so it stretches out. And the idea is that will now stretch over. There you are. So that is how you use this expandable sleeving, and it comes in various sizes. This is 6mm, but you can get bigger ones. So if you want more larger cables and things, you can yeah, you can bind them up and make nice looms, make them look professional. Anyway, there you are. Hundreds of uses, and I'm using it in an RC. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.